Hi, and welcome to another episode of Next Horizon. In this episode, we're exploring the exciting world of artificial intelligence and its impact on society. In the not too distant future, the world is being revolutionized by artificial intelligence. From self-driving cars to advanced healthcare systems, AI is changing the way we live and work. But what happens when AI becomes even more advanced? What are the possibilities and the impacts on our world? Imagine a world where AI can understand and respond to human emotions, making our daily lives easier and more efficient. With the advancements in natural language processing and computer vision, this is becoming a reality. AI virtual assistants like Siri and Google Home, ChatGPT and other AI technology are just the beginning. In the medical field, AI is being used to perform complex surgeries with greater precision, reducing the risk of complications. With the help of machine learning, AI can also analyze vast amounts of medical data to help diagnose diseases and develop new treatments. In the manufacturing industry, AI is being used to increase efficiency and productivity. Robots are able to perform tasks with greater speed and accuracy than humans, leading to increased output and lower costs. While the advancements in AI are exciting, they also raise concerns about job displacement. As AI continues to improve, many jobs that were once performed by humans are now being taken over by machines. This is leading to a need for reskilling and job retraining programs to help people adapt to the changing workforce. Another impact of AI is privacy. As AI systems collect more and more data about us, concerns about how this data is being used and who has access to it are becoming increasingly important. Governments and organizations must ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that respects privacy and protects personal information. The military is also exploring the use of AI, with the development of autonomous weapons and AI-powered drones. This raises ethical concerns about the use of AI in warfare and the potential consequences of allowing machines to make life or death decisions. It is important that we consider the ethical implications and ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that benefits all of humanity. The rise of advanced artificial intelligence is a journey that we must undertake with caution, but also with excitement and wonder. So what do you think? Let's have a discussion in the comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Until then, we will see you next time.